Hello guys, welcome back to App Tutorial, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you find your Discord server invite link. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to find that, you just simply have to open your Discord application, and after opening the Discord application, you will get to see a bunch of options into this home page. Now, you just simply have to select the server for which you want to find the invite link. In my case, I'm selecting this new server of mine. Now, just simply tap to this icon right here, and after tapping in there, you will get to see your link in here. Now, you can copy the link by just tapping into that link, and then it will be copied into your clipboard and you can use it to invite people. This way you can very easily find your Discord server invite link. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.